Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Please type in questions box. In our GoToWebinar panel, questions box is there. Just please type your status. All of you are getting my voice on the screen. Yeah, thank you. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Right. Right. Good afternoon, guys. And now, just I would like to give brief introduction on Java programming language, what you are having and what you are going to understand the content. I'll give that. After that, today, I would like to give the process, what you are going to follow to complete this course, what you are going to discuss, part of the Java, part of the full stack Java, what you are planning, that everything here we are going to understand today. All right. And before that, now just give a minute of time, then I will create a document for us. Right, I will show the channel how to get document everyday classroom notes, how to access that everyday classroom notes. I'll give clarity. Now try to check this. All right, sir. Okay. All right, sir. So, so this is a document where I'm going to provide everyday classroom notes to all of you. Every day you are able to access the classroom notes. So I will give that link to access this classroom note 365 days, 24/7. This document will be available for you so that you can access that classroom notes. Anyway, at the end of the session, I will complete all these formalities. I will show all the points now. Right now, let us come to the content. Let us come to the content. Uh, First of all, I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Can you tell me how many parts are available in Java? Overall, how many parts are existed in Java in general as per the awareness? So, up to now, as per our awareness, we thought of it, Java is available in three parts. First one is core Java, and second one is advanced Java. Third one is J2EE. In general, this is what exactly the classification what people are having in general. If anybody else is asking a question to you, what do you know about Java? In general, people are saying that Java is available in three parts. First one is core Java. Second one is advanced Java. Third one is what there? J2EE. But Before going to learn Java programming language, first we have to understand, is this classification is right classification or not? First we have to understand, is this classification is right classification or not? Is it a right division in Java programming language or not? Then first we have to understand this. Is it exactly the classification provided by Sun Microsystems or not? What is this Sun Microsystems? Do you have any awareness on it? Sun Microsystems, what is this actually? Oracle is a database that was provided by a company named Oracle Corporation. Windows is an operating system. That's a product provided by a company named Microsoft. Similarly, Java is a programming language. Java is what? A programming language provided by a company named Sun Microsystems. Home of Java programming language, provider of Java programming language is what? Sun Microsystems. Is that Sun Microsystem has provided the same classification? Is it the same classification which is provided by Sun Microsystems about the Java? If we talk about it, this is wrong classification. This is not right classification. Unfortunately, in outside, this classification is going on in Java. Now, this is not the right terminology, right division in Java programming language. But what is right division? What is the right classification? What exactly Sun Microsystems has provided the Java? If we talk about this particular one, now I'm giving clarity, observe carefully. Java was provided by Sun Microsystems in three parts. What are the three parts of Java? First one is J2SE or Java SE. What is the very first one? J2SE or Java SE. Second one is J2EE or Java EE. J2EE or Java EE. And the third one is like what there? J2ME or Java ME. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling you now. So now tell me, all of you now tell me, Java in the sense three parts. What are the three parts inside the Java? You should not say now one words, core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. Forget about this terminology. From now onwards, we have to think Java is what there? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Yes, sir. Can I remove this part here? Can I remove this part now? Anyway, it is wrong terminology. This is unnecessary for us. I want to remove this part. Not required. Now this is exactly the Java. Okay, fine. Three parts are available inside the Java that we understood. But what is the purpose of J2SE? What is the need of this J2SE? What is its abbreviation? What you are going to understand about the J2SE? If we talk about this particular point, now I will give some few points about this J2SE. Try to understand it clearly. First one, very first one is abbreviation for J2SE. What exactly this J2SE? Java SE. What is this actually? Java 2 Standard Edition. What is J2SE? No, Java 2 Standard Edition. Good. What it will cover? Java 2 Standard Edition, or nowadays it is like what there? Java Standard Edition. That's okay. We understood this. Java Standard Edition. We understood that. But what it will cover? What you are able to get from J2SE? What you are able to get from Java SE? Right. If we come for this point, answer is very clear. It will provide only, please remember, it will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming language. Only it will provide what the fundamentals of the Java programming language. That's it. It will not provide complete Java. J2SE will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming language. Only fundamentals. It will not provide the complete Java. Yes, all of you are getting clarity? All right, sir. Only fundamentals. Good. With these fundamentals of the Java, by using these fundamentals of the Java, is it possible to prepare any separate application? With only fundamentals of the Java, is it possible to prepare any separate application? Do you prepare any application by using only fundamentals of the Java? Will you prepare any enterprise application? Will you prepare a bank application by using fundamentals of the Java? Is it possible? Right. Answer is what there? No, not enterprise applications, no. But one type of application we are able to prepare by using J2SE. One type of applications we are able to prepare by using J2SE. What is that? By using these fundamentals of Java, by using these fundamentals of Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Please remember this, guys, what I'm telling there. What type of applications can we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. Standalone applications that we can understand clearly. What applications can we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. And then immediately we have a question. What is this standalone application? What is the meaning of this standalone application? We want to know that. What is this standalone application? Right, I'm giving definition to all of you. Please recognize this definition. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone application. Come again, what is a standalone application? No, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, you know already client to server architecture. Client is a computer, server is also a computer. Client will send request to the server. At server mission, program will be executed. Server will send some response to the client. So client to server architecture, between these two, network is required, request, response, protocol. So the setup is required, some infrastructure is required. Without using that, I don't have such kind of environment. Without using that, if we prepare and execute any application without client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what? Standalone application. Come again, I will show in the diagrammatic manner, don't worry. But what is this? What is this standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone applications. Come again, guys. Then what is the point I'm telling there? Everybody understand this point here. If we design and execute any application without using what? Client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what? Standalone application. I'll give one simple diagram. Try to understand this diagram, everybody. Very simple diagram. No client server architecture, no need to distribute application logic over multiple machines, means that I don't require more than one computer. That means within a single computer I have to prepare everything. Within a single computer I have to prepare everything. It means that now I'm going to take a single computer. This is my single computer. I want to say it's a mission. In general, I want to say it is what there? A mission. A computer is nothing but a mission. It's a computer, a mission. For example, inside this mission, I'm going to write a program, a single program I'm going to write. No need to distribute this application logic over multiple missions. No client to server architecture, nothing is there. In a single computer, single program I have written. Everything is going on in a single computer. There itself, I compiled the program. There itself, I executed the program. In the same computer, I have provided an input. In the same computer, I got as an output. Everything about my application within the single computer. If we design and execute application like this, then this application is called standalone application. This application is what there? Standalone application. Everybody put more concentration. This application is what there? Standalone application. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? To prepare these standalone applications, no need to have too much Java technology. Only fundamentals of the Java is sufficient. That fundamentals will be covered in where there? J2SE. J2SE is what actually Java 2 standard edition. To prepare these fundamentals of the Java, only J2SE is sufficient. That is what there? Java 2 standard edition, fundamentals of the Java. That's it. Please understand this point clearly. This is exactly the meaning of like what exactly the meaning of standalone application here I'm giving to you. Now try to understand this clearly. Simple diagram I'm giving there. What is the meaning of standalone application that we understood clearly? Okay, good, nice. After understanding the standalone application there, now here I want to have some examples for standalone applications. Nowadays might be so many applications are available in the industry or maybe in a software side. But what are the various examples for standalone applications? What are various examples for standalone applications? I can give some examples to you. Understand this clearly. In the system, computer, in my computer, for example, what we have there? Calendar is existed here. Am I right or not? Calendar. Yes, calendar is available or not? Calendar is also an application. Calendar is also what there? An application. Apart from that, calculator. In my computer, calculator is available or not? Is also be an application. Not only that, say for example, paint. Now whatever the diagram I'm preparing there, this is exactly what the paint brush. This is also an application there. Not only that, some editors I'm using there, Edit Plus or maybe Notepad, something else I'm using. All these are examples for what their standalone applications. All these are what their standalone applications. Now observe carefully. In my computer, calendar is available. It doesn't require any internet connection even. It doesn't require any network setup. It doesn't require client mission and server-side application. It doesn't require sending request to the server-side application, getting response from server-side application. It doesn't require anything. Just it's a single application, single program. That single program will be executed within the single computer. So this is an example for what there? Standalone application. Leave this one. Calculator is available. In my system, calculator app is available. When I open that calculator app now, there all I'm giving some input data. 5 plus 7 I'm giving there. And I click on equal button. 12 is an output I'm getting there. Understand my point here? That app is running in a single computer. It is not required any two missions, client server architecture, remote mission, local mission, client mission, server mission, protocol. All this kind of setup is not required. In a single computer, operating system is sufficient. Automatically, my program will be executed. Within the same computer, I'm giving input. Within the same computer, I'm getting output. Everything is going on about my application within the same computer. This is an example for what their standalone application. Similarly, paint, editors, all these are examples for what their standalone applications. That's okay, sir. Good. Examples and what is the meaning of standalone application? To prepare this standalone application, what Java technology we required, that all the points here we understood. That's okay. But first of all, tell me, in outside market, so many software applications are available. Out of these 100% of the software applications, how many applications are standalone applications? What is the ratio of the standalone applications in outside? So many applications are available. Out of all these, how many applications are standalone applications? What is the percentage of the standalone applications? No. If we come for this point, answer is very simple. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Only how many percentage? How many applications are standalone applications? No, only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Sir, all of you are following this point or not? How many applications are standalone applications? No, only 5% of the applications are standalone application. Then immediately we may get one question in our mind. Immediately we may get one question in our mind. What is this question there? Sir, only 5% of the applications are standalone application, in the sense direct utilization of this J2S is only 5%. No, direct utilization of this is only 5%. No, utilization of this technology is 5%, in the sense my job opportunity level is also be 5%. No, because of 5%, I am learning this Java now. Now I'm coming for demo class for only 5% of the job opportunities level in outside. So is it required to learn this technology? Is because of only 5% I'm coming for demo class today? Is it only 5% of the opportunities level in outside there? Immediately people are getting this kind of questions now. Right, but I'm giving some point to you now. Try to understand it clearly, guys. All of you understand it now. What I'm telling there, it's a direct utilization is its direct utilization is only 5%. Its direct utilization is what there 5%, but its dependency level is 1000%. Please recognize this. Its direct utilization is a 5% only, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. Sir, what mathematics you are talking today? It's a 5% at one time and 1000% at another. What is this actually? What you are thinking now? Right. For our understanding, I will clear it. I'll give one example. Now try to understand this example. What is the meaning of 5%? What is the meaning of 1000%? I'll give one simple example through that we can understand clearly. Let's say, for example, is all of you okay? All of you are following my points now? All of you are following my points now? Just I'm giving alert message to all of you. Some people are sleeping. Arey yaar, it's very first class. First time you are looking at my face now. You are getting sleeping, in the sense I may feel very good about it. By seeing my face only, you are sleeping now. Not suggestible. First class, be active. All right. Now, what is the point I'm telling there? For example, one student, he completed BTech at a particular college. He didn't have a job, no campus selections. He was not selected in any company. So he's a jobless now. Just he completed BTech. He went to his hometown. He stayed 2 days of time. Then what happened there? Parents are not pressure to him. Parents are quite simple. They are not giving any pressure to him. Even they are not asking to him what we have to do next attempt like this now. Unfortunate thing is, our house next door people, or maybe next house people, every day they will come to us, they will ask to us what your child is doing. What your child is doing, is he completed BTech or not? If he completed BTech, why still he is available at the same village? No, why don't he go to the Hyderabad? Why don't he go to some courses there? Why don't he select in a company? My son-in-law or my son already got selected with IBM. He is earning per month nearly 60,000, but he is your son classmate only. Like this, they will discuss with your parents. Then by the time parents are getting some thinking, and by the time parents will definitely will ask you, why you are vacant, and try to do some work there, like this. By the time people are realized it, and they'll come to Hyderabad, and they will take their first step in Amirpet. Sir, am I right or not? In the movies, when heroes are going to the Rayalaseema place now, when they are keeping their first leg on floor, and they are kissing the ground, right? Similarly, by that, like that, they are coming to Amirpet. Okay, they are thinking about it. We landed at Amirpet. I think there is a Mahesh Babu movie, right? Have you understand it? He went to Mumbai in one movie there. Then his friend asked him, then why we are coming to Mumbai? What he said there? Right, the same thing. You're coming to Hyderabad for what purpose there? For the same purpose only. Right, sir. Good, understand it. Then what happened there? Next one is there. So already he came to Hyderabad, then he was at Amirpet. Now he's in a junction actually. He want to learn a course and he want to get job. In general, he might be inquired about the courses from their relatives, or maybe from his relatives or friends or somebody else. Already they are landed at Amirpet. Already they are taking some courses there. initially he may get some wrong impression about Java. Some people might be giving information about Java to him is what there. Are yaar, don't go for Java. Java is too much technology, too much vast technology. In Java, too much technical stuff is required, and too much programming is going on inside the Java. So you are unable to survive in Java. Moreover, you said to me number of times in our college, no, you are totally lack with programming, no. You scared by seeing that programming, so don't go for Java. People are giving this kind of impression to him. Then this innocent student asked to him, the same person, okay, if not Java, then what I have to select? Can you suggest me some technology to select and to go there to learn it? Then immediately that person might be giving information to him is what? Don't go with Java, but Selenium is one of the testing tool is available. Within 1 month you can learn it. Within 1 month you will get job. That other people are giving this information to him. With that mindset, he came to. He will search for an institute where Selenium testing is going on. He will go to the Selenium testing demo class, in which we are coming today demo class now. Okay, he'll sit in the class. The trainer will come there. Trainer will give the information. Okay, the very first question. Selenium is a testing tool. If you want to learn a Selenium testing tool, you must have Java knowledge. If you know Java, then only continue this. Otherwise, first complete Java, then come to Selenium classes. Then immediately student may come out from the class now. He's thinking about it. Arey yaar, I'm totally thinking about Java previously. Somebody else has given information that don't go with Java. So that's why I selected this Selenium testing, no. But here Java is dependent, no. Java is required here. Okay, Java is not suitable for me. So automatically Selenium is also not suitable for me. Then again he is thinking, again he is in a junction. Again he's inquiring about the courses in outside. He asked somebody else in outside again. Are Java, Selenium, both are not suitable for me. Now tell me any other new technology to complete that course and to get job immediately. Some other group of people have given information to him. Are nowadays Salesforce is one of the technologies, one of the product is available. Better to go and learn Salesforce now. Your life will be beautiful in the Salesforce now. This innocent student thought of it. Okay, he's having a dream on Salesforce, like selecting in a company and working with a company in Salesforce. No, then he searched for some institute to learn the Salesforce technology. Good. As for that, he went to the Salesforce training institute. He went there. He went to the demo class. Again, trainer came. Trainer has started lecture. In the middle of the lecture, he might be given. He might be asked to the students. No, out of all these members, how many of you are aware about Java? If you know Java, then only you can continue this Salesforce. Otherwise, don't continue this. First complete Java and come back. Then this university student asked to him, why sir, why it is Java? Salesforce is a tool which is designed on the top of Java only. If you don't know Java, you are unable to understand anything in this. So please try to complete Java, then come back to the Salesforce technology. Then again, student came out from the class. Again, he's having a thinking now. Again, he inquired about the courses there. Again, he inquired at some other persons there to go for some other technology. Then some other people, some other group of people have given information to him. So Java is not suitable for you. Selenium is not suitable for you. Salesforce is also not suitable for you. Why? Because these are dependent on Java. So I'm going to give one option to you. Try to complete it. Immediately will get job. Then immediately that person has given information there. And nowadays mobile application development is very good. Go for Android application development platform. Android, it's a mobile application development. Even this innocent student is thinking about it. Android is a mobile, but Java is a programming language. So far, distance is available between these two. No, again, he searched for one institute where Android is going on. He searched for some institute where Android is going on. He identified one institute where Android is going on. There, he went for the demo class. In the demo class, then directly the trainer came. The trainer has given information there that he kept some side heading. Prerequisite to learn Android, colon. Then he specified the first prerequisite is what there? Java only. What is the situation there? Then he's thinking about, then I'm thinking about Java. I don't like this Java, but everywhere I went to the demo classes and everybody they are saying that Java is a prerequisite. First learn Java, then only come for these technologies. No, what is this Java? Then why this Java is having this much of demand? Then again, he came out, he inquired for some other there. Some other people have given information there. Don't go for all these things, no. some SAP related tools are available, go for it and try to learn it, then automatically will get job. Again, he went for SAP related tools demo classes. No, in SAP related tools demo class also, what is the prerequisite here? Java is a prerequisite again. So finally came to know the conclusion. So without Java, we are unable to survive in the software industry. Finally, got the solution is what there. Without Java, we are unable to learn anything in a software industry. He got the type of conclusion. Already, because of these demo classes, because of the technology searching, because of that, almost all 4 to 5 months of time, he passed there. He thought of it by the end of 5th month. No, he thought of it. Meanwhile, if I learn Java, by this time it might be completed there. By this time we are going to be ready to learn anything and to get job. No, but we have wasted this much of time here. Like this, by that he decided. By that he thought of it. Finally, he understood that we need to learn Java immediately. Otherwise, not possible to survive inside. No, then immediately will come to Durgasoft and he will come to my demo classes. Any of you are available like that? Searching. Finally coming to this location today. Definitely, 1 or 2 items might be you went for some other demo class there. Finally, you are coming to the Java. So, being the Java developer, and before that, I'm telling there, I'm giving some confirmation to you. Here, myself is a person. I'm taking not only Java. Already, I took the classes in Java and as well as in Python in multiple domains. Full stack Java, full stack Python. I took already classes now. But finally, I decided that I strongly believe that other technologies are season wise technologies. On season they will come, in off season they will down. But Java doesn't have any such kind of situations. Java is always in a upward arrow, not even a straight line. Always it is in what there? Upward arrow. Understand it? Evergreen technology. It's like what there? Evergreen technology nowadays. No other technology is having this much of stability. I'm sure I'm confirming now itself. If you learn Java, if you are in Java, next 25 to 30 years of time, your career will not get any problem. But if you take other courses, no, then there is no guarantee that course is going to be, the tool or technology is going to be available in the next 2 to 3 years of time. There is no guarantee for it. But if you trust on Java, Java will give guarantee for you for the next 25 years of time. Think of it. Nowadays, one more thing is going on. Sir, Python is very good, no? Why don't I select this Python instead of the Java? Yes, you can select and you can learn it. You may get job now. But how long it's going to be available? Now it is doubtful. If you come to me 3 years back and if you asked me before pandemic, if you asked me, sir, what about Python? Okay, Python is going on good. I used to say that before 3 years now. But now I'm unable to say that point. As I'm teaching Python again. As I'm teaching Python, I'm telling them. How much scope is available for Java? No other technology is having that much of scope. Right, and one more point. Now today itself we have to come out from one conclusion. Most of the people might be thought of it. Java required too much technical stuff, too much content now. So is it possible for me to survive in Java? This kind of question might be people are having. Now here itself I'm confirming there. In the olden days, Java required too much technical stuff. In the olden days, Java is not much easy. Too much programming is going on. But the latest versions of the Java is simplifying everything. Latest versions of the Java is simplifying everything. Previously, 100 lines of code I have written Java program. Now it is a matter of 1 or 2 lines of code. Right from Java 8 version onwards, the total Java processing is simplified. Previously too much content. Now it is only matter of 2 to 3 lines of code. Everything we are able to achieve. Now at present, which version of the Java is available? Java 19 is going on at present. Java 19 is available, latest version there. Right from Java 8 version onwards, optimization is available. Postmortem is available in Java. Now Java is very simple. Now Java is very simple even when compared with some other scripting languages. That's why because of this reason also we can understand Java is the best programming language nowadays when compared with other programming languages. It simplifies every process. But the impression of Java is like too much technical, too much programming. That is in olden days. But at present, Java is in very much a simplified way. For example, one database operation is available. interacting with the database, connecting with the database, inserting one record into the database from Java application. That is nothing but create some data in the database. That operation is available. Previously, we have to write maybe 15 to 20 lines of code for doing that particular work. Now, nowadays in Spring Data JPA topic is available. Just it's a matter of one method call. That's it. Just is a matter of one method call. JPA repository dot create method and pass an object. That's it. Automatically, that object is going to be inserted into the database table. So nowadays Java is dead easy. Java is very simple. Everything is predefined. Just we have to know what is and what is the purpose of it and where to use it. That's it. If you know that, Java becomes very simple. Java makes our life is very simple. Moreover, Java gives guarantee for our career in IT sector. Because of that, Java is getting this much of demand even in the recession time in outside. Got my point or not? Okay, that's why here what I'm telling there, it's a direct utilization is only what there 5%, but its dependency level is what there. Dependency level is what there 10,000 or not? How can you say that 1000% is a dependency level? No, observe carefully. It is a dependent technology. It is a dependent technology for some other tools and technologies like some other tools and technologies like what I'm telling there. Observe carefully. Like J2EE. If you want to learn J2EE, we require what that J2SE. That's a foundation for Java. That is one thing. Next one is what there Selenium technologies. Next one is what there Salesforce tool. Next one is what there SAP tools, SAP related tools, Android and so on. So many. Just some of them only I given list, but so many things are available. So many things are depending on Java. So if you know Java, all other technologies are very simple. That's the punch here. What I'm telling to you clearly. That's okay, guys. Now leave this punch here. Next one is, and again I will talk about this, what technology you have to select, what we have to do. Again I will take the content here, but try to recognize this now. So this is like what their dependency level here we can understand. Right, so now these are the points here we have to understand about what J2SE. Let's see what exactly the points here I discussed there now. First of all, tell me Java is available in how many parts there? Come on, Java is available in how many parts there? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. What is the J2SE actually? What is the abbreviation now? Java 2 Standard Edition or Java Standard Edition. What it will provide for us now? Come on, it will provide what? It will provide fundamentals of the Java programming language. Nice. By using these fundamentals, what type of application we are able to prepare? Standalone application. What is this standalone application? Can you please tell me? If it design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what? Standalone application. Got it or not? This application is what there? Standalone application. Now here an example I've given there. This is a computer. This is a machine. Inside the computer, inside a machine, I have written a program. Now I want to say this program is what there? A standalone application. How can I say this is a standalone application? No, here the point is in a single computer I have written total program. There are no client server architecture. There are no distribution of the application logic over multiple machines. There only I'm compiling my program. There only I'm executing my program. In the same computer, I'm giving input to data to my program. In the same computer, I'm getting output from my program. So everything is going on within a single computer. So this type of application is called as what? Standalone application. Yes, sir. Got my point or not? Right. Next one. Can you tell me the examples for the standalone applications? No. What are the examples for standalone applications? Can no? Right. Calendar, calculator, paint, editors. All these are what there? Standalone applications. Next one is what there? Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. In outside, only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Now tell me guys, all of you know, what is the utilization of the standalone applications? No, direct utilization is only 5%, but its indirect requirement is what there? 1000%. How can you say it's a 1000% is required there in outside? No, it is a dependent technology for some other tools and technologies like J2EE, Selenium, Salesforce, SAP tools Android, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So many, for so many, this is a dependent technology, dependent programming language. Because of this reason, its demand is nearly 1000%, but its direct utilization is what there? Only 5%. Now tell me, finally, required to learn this course or not? Required to learn this core Java or not? That means J2SE in the sense what there? Core Java only, not any other one can. Definitely it is mandatory. See, one more point I'm telling you. For example, I want to construct a building. I want to construct a building. Now I need to check for proper foundation or not. I need to check for proper foundation or not. Without having proper foundation, if I construct a building, then what will happen? It will be collapsed. It will be collapsed. Maybe temporarily it seems it's very good, but when days goes on, maybe down the line, after 1 year of time, the total building is going to be collapsed. But if you have strong foundation, the building lifetime will be maybe 100 years. Now, this core Java is what their strong foundation for our future technologies. If you are lack with the core Java, there is no chance to understand future technologies. Just you may complete the courses in the future, but you will not get 100% knowledge on future technologies. But if you are lack with the core Java, not possible to understand future technologies. If you are good at Java, if you are strong at core Java, your next technologies are very simple. Easily we can understand it what I'm telling there. So because of that reason, this is a foundation course. This is what their foundation course. This is a base technology. So you have to make it is very strong. You need to get complete awareness on the J2SE. Then only you have to go for what their other technologies. Right, guys? Now this is the story about like what their J2SE part. Guys, now can you tell me, all of you now tell me again, how many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? Tell me. J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Very good. Come again. J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. J2SE part we understood clearly. No need to worry for it. I will share this document today only. I'll give link to you to access this document. Now let's come for the second one. What is the second one here? J2EE or Java EE. Another one. J2EE or Java EE. Again, I'm telling to all of you guys, no need to take any running notes. Sit haramly, then try to listen what I am telling to you. That's it. Come to the class with peaceful mind. Maybe everybody will have problems there. Just leave all of your problems before the gate. Once you're coming inside the class, just like it is a temple. So with the peaceful mind, sit in front of me. I will inject everything. I'll inject everything. At the end of the day, your knowledge and my knowledge should be same. At the end of the day, you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. In that way, we are going to plan for our courses. So I will share this document to you. Just try to understand. After completion of the class, whenever we have free time, just spend 10 to 15 minutes of time for every class now. Just open the document, try to see this. If you have theoretical concept, try to read it clearly, try to understand it clearly. Everything I will type. Even more than your notes, I will type the notes. No need to worry for it. After that, if it is a programmatic thing, open your system, there practice your programs there. So because of that reason, I'm going to share this document to everybody. This is almost a Bible for us. This is almost a Bible. Everything, every word, whatever the words are coming out from mouth, everything will be there inside our document. So it will be Bible for us. Everybody has to access this document clearly. I'll give at the end of the class today, I will share this document to you. Now let's come for our content. Next one. What is this next one, guys? Now tell me, all of you know. J2EE. Now tell me first of all, what is abbreviation for J2E? Before that, now tell me, what is J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. Similarly, what is this J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Or simply speaking, Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. This is point number 1. Abbreviation, just abbreviation. After that, now tell me, guys, J2SE provides fundamentals of the Java programming language or not? J2SE has given only fundamentals of the Java, not complete Java. Similarly, what J2EE will provide for us, it will provide server side programming. It will provide what there? Server side programming. When we are getting the concept like server side programming, immediately client server architecture is coming into the picture or not? Whenever we are talking about server side programming, immediately client server architecture or not? Client is sending request to the server, server side program will be executed, server is generating some response to the client, immediately this architecture is coming into our mind or not? Yes, keep that information in our mind. I'll come to the next point. What is this next point here? It will provide server side programming. By using this server side programming, by using this server side programming, by using the server side programming, we will prepare enterprise applications. We'll prepare what type of applications there? Enterprise applications, or simply speaking, distributed applications. Come on guys, what I'm telling there, it can be used to prepare, it can be used to prepare, it can be used to prepare enterprise applications. It can be used to prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. Everybody understand my point here? Then immediately we are getting a question. What is my question here? No, what is an enterprise application or what is a distributed application? Can I give definition for standalone application? What we understood? What is standalone application? What we understood that just now I given some definition there previously. Tell me, if it design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what there? Standalone application. That application is called as what there? Standalone application. Similarly, what is this distributed application or an enterprise application? No, listen carefully. Please understand what I'm trying to type. No, if it design and execute any application, please remember this, if it design and execute any application on the basis of what? On the basis of client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines. All right, sir, over multiple missions, then this application is called, this application is called what their? Distributed application or an enterprise application. Both the names here we can understand, a distributed application or what there? An enterprise application. That's it guys. Now this is exactly the meaning of like what there, like what exactly the meaning of an enterprise application or distributed application. Then immediately I'm getting a question now. What is my question here? What exactly meaning of it? I want to see some diagrammatic representation for it. Now let's see this one, distributed application I'm talking now. All of you observe carefully. Now this is one computer. For example, here we have a line separation here. Now here I want to say this. Now here this is like what there? One computer here I'm having. Similarly, another computer is existed here. All right. Now here I want to say, in general, I want to say a computer as a mission. I don't like to say computer every time now. Now onwards, I want to say mission. Why? Because Java is not only for computer. Java is everywhere. Java is everywhere, like in a mobile phone, maybe in a hardware system, maybe in a traffic signaling system, or maybe parking meters. Almost 3 billion devices runs Java now as of now. 3 billion types of devices are using Java. Everywhere Java is available. That's why I don't like the computer. I want to say what there? A mission. But here now it is a clarity. Specific mission it is no. That's why I want to say it is what there? Client mission. Now this is what there? My server mission. All right. Inside my client mission, I want to prepare an application, a program. At my server mission also, I want to prepare a separate program. Now here at my client side program, I need to have some instructions here. So many instructions are available. At my server side program also, so many instructions are available. Many instructions are available here. Now this I want to say client application. This I want to say client application. This I want to say like what there, server application. Now between client and server, communication is required or not? Client is at one computer, server is at another computer. Client is sending request to server. Server is giving some response to client, in the sense communication is required or not? How this communication is going to be provided there? Through a network. Between these two, what we required here? No, network is required. Through a network, of course, network, protocols, some different things. No. Finally, what we required here? Network is required. Then here, what is the flow of execution there? When we execute both the programs at a time, no, first client program will submit a request to the server program through the network. First of all, that request will be taken by network. Network will identify our server side program, and network will submit that request to the server side program. The server side program will be executed totally. By the execution of the server side program, some response will be generated. That response must be dispatched to the respective client. Means that response will be given to the network. Network will carry that response back to the respective client. Everybody understand this point now clearly? First of all, what happened when we execute this client and server, both the programs at a time? First, client will submit request to the server. Means that client will submit request to the network. Now network will carry that request to like what their server mission. At server mission, server program will be executed. Now this is still what the request. Server program will be executed. By the execution of this program, some response will be generated. That response will be dispatched to the respective client. Means that response will be given to the network. Now here network will carry the total response to the respective client. So that response will be given to the respective client. Now client is able to display the total response. Client is able to display response to the respective user. So this type of application is nothing but what the client server application. This client server application is also be called as a distributed application, and is also be called as like what there, an enterprise application. That we have to understand. I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for my question now. Everybody. Now tell me here. Everybody. Now answer for it. Now tell me, here I have used client server architecture or not? Here we have used client server architecture or not? Please respond for me. Yes, we have used client server architecture. Now tell me, here I distributed my application logic over multiple machines or not? My application logic is available at client machine. My application logic is available at what there? Server machine. My application logic is distributed over client and server or not? So now it's a distributed environment or not? So that application is a distributed application or not? That application is also be called as an enterprise application or not? That is what exactly the meaning of like what there, enterprise application or distributed application. Guys, all of you are following my points now? Nothing is there. Very simple points. And first day I will not give any then too much burden to you. Simple, very generic terminology I'm using today. By moving on to the concept, automatically I will introduce your actual Java terminology. But first of all, nothing is that simple. How many parts are available in Java? What is the purpose of each and every part? That we are understanding clearly. Nothing I'm discussing there. Very simple point. Don't see Java in a big hole. Java is after all. Java is after all. That's it. Nothing is there in Java. Just come to my classes. Regularly come to my classes. At the end, you will feel nothing is there in Java. Easily we can write programs. Easily we can complete the like what I'm telling there, projects in our companies now. Nothing is there inside the Java. Just our regularity is important. Regular touch with the subject is important. That's enough. Automatically you are able to complete your Java. You are able to get jobs in outside. But definitely we have to do some work for that. We have to come for the classes. We have to listen properly. We have to practice that. Everyday practice is required. Everyday reading and practice is required. If you do that, nothing is there inside the Java. So I will show how to plan for preparation and everything here, right? So this is exactly the meaning of like what there, enterprise application or distributed application. That's okay, guys. Understood it. We have seen some examples for standalone applications. Number of examples we have seen for standalone applications. Am I right or not? Calendar in our computer, calculator in our computer, paint in our computer, edit plus is in our computer. All these are examples for what there, standalone applications. Books, right? Then all these are examples for what their standalone applications now. Now, similarly, what are the various examples for enterprise applications? Or before that, now tell me, how many applications are enterprise applications in outside? In outside software applications, if we take 100% is no, 5% of the applications are standalone applications that we understood. But what about this enterprise applications percentage in outside? If we come for this point, now I'm telling to you, 95% of the applications are enterprise applications nowadays in outside. How many applications? No, it's not like 5%, it's not like 10% now. 95% of the applications are what there? Enterprise applications are what next one here? Distributed applications. Okay, sir. Good. I understood your point here. Nearly 95% of the applications are distributed applications or enterprise applications. Can you tell me some examples? Can you tell me some examples? Definitely. I'll give some of the examples. Try to understand these examples now. All of you observe careful. Example one, I'm telling there. I think all of you are having Gmail account. Am I right? For your information, I'm telling there. If any of you are not having Gmail, no, not fit to attend for my classes. Why? Because part of this course, I'm giving video support to you. I'm going to share that videos. Every class is being recorded. Every class video within 1 hour after completion of the class, I'm going to share that video support we are going to provide through Google Drive only. So definitely you require what? Gmail account. Without having Gmail account, we are unable to access my videos every day's class now. It's a default service, no extra money for it. It's a default service. If you join for the class, video class will be provided. I think so. This is a support we are providing from Durgasoft. Only Durgasoft is giving the support there. No other training center is providing this kind of support for the students. For offline students, giving video support. Even including today's class, you are able to get videos. That more and more number of advantages are available. I'll talk it separately. No need to worry for it. All right, sir. I think all of you are using Gmail, right? Not only Gmail, all of you are having Facebook account. All of you are having, of course, an account with YouTube also. Yes, sir, am I right or not? Of course, Gmail account is sufficient to open what there? YouTube or maybe your own channel. Am I right or not? So all these are like what there? All social network applications are what? All social network applications are enterprise applications, distributed applications. If we want to open Gmail, what we have to do, sir? First of all, we will open browser. In the browser, simply we will type gmail.com or not. When we type gmail.com, request will go to Gmail server. Gmail server is providing login page to you as a response. There we entered username and password. Again, we click on login button. Again, request will go to what the Gmail server. Gmail server is validating your data, username and password. If you are the registered user, your account page will be submitted as response to you, your account, your system there. There we can see that. There we may click on compose. There we may click on inbox. That anyway, what you are thinking about it, then that we are able to perform the operations now. So is it not client server application? Your computer is a client, Gmail server system is available, that is a server. Their client server architecture is going on or not? Application logic is distributed over multiple machines or not? That's why it is an example for what their enterprise applications are distributed application. That's one thing. Next one, example 2. I think all of you are having bank accounts now. Yes, sir. Created or not? All of you are having bank accounts or not? Definitely. But bank accounts and Durgasoft no way relation here. No. Don't expect it. Durgasoft is depositing some amounts of money to you. Like 10 lakhs from central government, right? Initially. Don't think like that. But in general, I'm asking that everybody must have what their bank accounts. Am I right or not? Oh, okay. I'm telling there all bank applications, any type of bank, HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, nowadays we are in, say, for example, I want to transfer some amount of money from my account to my friend account. What I have to do? First of all, I have to send request to ICICI Bank. There only my account is available. I'll send a request to the ICICI application. That is at server side. What's my request there? My friend account is this one. From my account, please transfer 10,000 to my friend account. Then they will take the responsibility. They will identify my friend account in HDFC Bank now. They will transfer the money. They will transfer the money. Got my point or not? So this is exactly like what their client server architecture. I'm talking with ICICI application. ICS application is talking with HDFC application. HDFC application is getting what there? A response to the ICS application. ICS application, yes, come on. ICS application is giving some response to me clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? So because of that reason, all banking applications are like what there? Banking applications are enterprise applications. All bank applications are like what there? Enterprise applications. Guys, observe carefully. Listen carefully. Another one is right. Okay, this is okay, fine. I think all of you might be habituated to give some address in the Flipkart or in Amazon, maybe. I think, have you ordered any item there? Maybe shoes or maybe clothes or maybe something else, right? Mobiles, maybe, like you might be given some order. Am I right or not? Right, sir. All these are what they're all e-commerce applications. E-commerce applications are what they now tell me. All e-commerce applications are enterprise applications. All e-commerce applications are what they're enterprise applications. Am I right or not? This is another one here. Let's understand another one here. All right, sir. Good. Today I'm attending demo class. Almost I'm eating your brain. Am I right? So we are totally tired. We went to the hostel or room. Now we want to take a food. But hostel food is not at all good. Am I right or not? In Hyderabad hostels food is good or not? No response, guys. Food is good or not? No. Food is not good, right? But you don't have any alternative. No? Do you have any other alternative? Yes, sir. I have an alternative there. Maybe a number of applications are available. Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats, right? Different alternatives are available. Am I right or not? All right, sir. All these food applications, food delivery applications are what there. All these food delivery applications are what there are enterprise applications again. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? Okay. All of you are having bikes, cars. All of you are having that. Some of you are having bikes. Those who are staying at Hyderabad, you are having bikes. But those who are coming outside of the Hyderabad, definitely not possible to get a bike. Am I right or not? But I want to go for a temple, or maybe I want to go for some other location. Say, for example, I want to go for a movie. I want to go for a movie. What I have to do nowadays might be metro is okay, somewhat better, but RTC buses are totally rushed nowadays. So what I have to do? But I want to go for a movie with a peaceful mind. What we have to do? Immediately we will take our mobile phone. There we can book a Uber cab or not. Uber cab or not. All right, sir. All traveling related applications are what there. Applications are enterprise applications. Like this, if I'm going to give any example there, endless number of examples are coming. In every domain, in a healthcare domain, that is another one here, important one. In insurance domain, in aerospace domain, in every domain, in everywhere, what applications are available? Enterprise applications are available. That's why I said to you, 95% of the applications are what there? Enterprise applications. All right, sir. I think our office people are regularly calling you and they're saying that some surprise, right? Am I right? All right, sir. As a small gift, as you are attending demo class, no, Durgasoft has some notebooks there. Then we want to share that notebooks. But at the end of this session, I will give surprise really. One more surprise. It may be useful for you. Dispute it. But don't concentrate on books there. Concentrate on me. Java is main. Book is secondary. Everybody. Listen carefully. All right, sir. Then try to have these books there regularly. Try to come with the books. There we can do some exercise. Definitely some exercise programs I will give inside the classes. No, but maximum theory and everything I will type it. You can access it. But programs I will give inside the class. That programs you have to do some exercise inside the class. No? That's why I'm giving that book. One book is sufficient for entire core Java. No need to have too many number of books. No, right? All right, sir. Now let's come for it now clearly. All of you. All of you understand it? Like this, so many applications are available or not? Like this, so many applications are available or not? Right, so now this is what exactly the meaning of like what there? An enterprise application. This is the meaning of like what there? An enterprise application. Clear? All of you clear now? Tell me guys, all of you now tell me, in Java, how many parts are available? 3 parts are available. What are the 3 parts now? J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. What I complete up to now? J to SE we completed. What next one? J to EE we completed, right? What next one here no? J to ME or Java ME. J to ME or Java ME. Let's see this. Okay, J to ME or Java ME. Observe carefully, all of you know what exactly the points I'm telling to you about this. It's very simple, no need to have much concentration on it, but simple content here. I'm telling to you. All of you observe carefully. All of you now tell me what is abbreviation for J to SE? Java to Standard Edition. What is abbreviation for J to EE? Java to Enterprise Edition. Similarly, abbreviation for J to ME is what there? Java to Mobile Edition. Am I right or not? Java to Mobile Edition or not? Java to Mobile Edition. Am I right or not? This is wrong statement. That M is not for mobile. That is what there? Micro. But this is common mistake what people are thinking every time. J to ME, people are thinking it is a mobile edition. No, it is not mobile edition. Java to micro edition. Java to micro edition, or we can call it as what there? Java micro edition. Java micro edition. Good. Now tell me all of you know. J to SE, Java to Standard Edition. J to EE, Java to Enterprise Edition. J to ME, Java to Micro Edition. That's very clear. J to SE covers only fundamentals of the Java or not? J to EE covers server-side programming or not? Similarly, what J to ME is providing, it will provide micro programming, chip level programming. Micro programming is what there? Chip level programming. It will provide chip level programming, micro programming. All right, all of you observe carefully. Another point here, listen carefully. By using J to SE, listen. By using J to SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using J to EE, we are able to prepare enterprise applications. Similarly, by using J to ME, we are able to prepare, it can be used to prepare mobile based applications. Abbreviation is micro edition only, but it is for what their mobile based applications. It's for what their mobile based applications. Good. Already we understood standalone application. What is a standalone application now? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that is standalone application. But what is an enterprise application now? Quite opposite of standalone application. If we design and execute on the basis of client server architecture, on the base by distributing application logic over multiple machines, that is what they're an enterprise application. But what is this mobile based application? Now I'm giving definition, try to understand it. If it design and execute any application, listen carefully, on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, on the base of mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application, then that application is what their mobile based application. That application is what their mobile based application. Observe carefully. All right, that's okay. This is about like what mobile based application. That abbreviation here we understand. That's okay, fine. Next one is how much percentage of the applications are mobile based applications now? How many applications are mobile based applications now? I'm giving clarity. 100% of the applications are mobile based applications only. 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based applications only. How sir? How can you say these points like this? All right, nowadays we can understand in every sector mobile applications are available. In every sector mobile apps are available. Some examples I'm telling you, try to understand these examples here. Say for example, all banking services are provided through mobile apps. Am I right or not? Your ICICI is having one app or not? iMobile app is available for the sake of ICICI. Similarly, for every bank, a separate app is available that we have to install. Through that, you can interact with the bank applications. That means bank servers directly. That's another one. Social service, social network applications, social service applications are available. What are the various social service applications? No, maybe your Gmail or Facebook or YouTube. Even when compared with the system, when compared with the laptop, most everybody they are open their YouTube through their mobile phone only. Everybody they used to open Facebook through what their mobile phone only. Got my point or not? Their mobile app is available or not? Say for example, Facebook app is available. For example, I want to install Facebook application. What we have to do? Go to the Play Store where we have to type Facebook. Automatically one app is coming where it is asking about install or not. If we click on install, that Facebook app is installed in our mobile where it is asking username password. If you enter that, your home page will come to this app in our mobile phone. Easily we can get it. Not only that, what I'm telling there, not only that, every enterprise application, say for example, nowadays maybe almost a very less number of people are giving food items order through their desktops. Everybody they are giving food items order through Swiggy or Zomato through mobile phones only. Their mobile apps are available. Got it or not? Every network providers nowadays, Airtel or maybe Idea, all these people are having their own apps or not. So that's why because of that reason, nowadays in every domain, mobile application services are available. Even a healthcare maybe. For example, unexpectedly we have a problem. Some health issue is coming there. We went to one hospital. There we are given our details, mobile number and all. Then might be some prescription was completed, first dose of the medicine I've taken, then immediately hospital people are sending messages to your mobile phone through like what there, your first dose is completed, second dose is remaining, due for second dose, come on this particular date on this particular time, this is an appointment for you, like this. How we are getting that messages? No, how we are getting that? They're maintaining one software at hospitals. No, that is a healthcare domain, healthcare applications there. Or else maybe if you go to the pharmacies in outside, Apollo pharmacy is available. I want to take one medicine there in an Apollo pharmacy, but that unfortunately that medicine is not available with that store. Immediately people are saying that same medicine is available in the near the store at some other location there, go and inquire about it, immediately they'll provide to you. How they're getting the details? No, they had one application there, they are using their application. That means in a healthcare, through mobile phone also we can order that medicines. Through mobile phone also we can order any like general items there in outside. Got it or not? So general store items also know. So this is what their mobile applications can know. So nowadays in everywhere, in every domain, what I'm telling there directly, every domain mobile applications are introduced. In every domain, mobile applications are available, mobile applications are existed. So this is what exactly the nature of like what there mobile application development. But one point I'm telling to all of you guys, now observe carefully, because of this reason I'm saying there 100% of the applications are what there mobile based applications now. But listen, one conclusion I'm telling there, but try to understand this conclusion. All of you understand this conclusion. The point is what? Mobile application development has very good demand. Mobile application development has very good demand. But listen this point here. But J2ME is not having demand in outside. Mobile application development is having very good demand, but J2ME is not having any demand in outside. No demand is available for J2ME. It's almost all dead. Nobody is learning this J2ME. Why? Because due to the number of alternatives, due to the number of alternatives for mobile application development, due to the number of alternatives mobile application development, like what there, Android, iPhone, and so on and so on and so on. So many iPhone technology or maybe Android, so many mobile application platforms are available. Mobile application development platforms are available. Due to that, so nowadays no demand is available for what there J2ME. Even if you go to any company, if you touch any Java developer, how many parts are there in Java? If you ask that, the Java developers are giving information only 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? No, J2SE, J2EE. They forgotten about what there J2ME. So no need to think about J2ME. No need to think about what there J2ME. Please everybody recognize these points clearly. All right, guys. Now this is what exactly the three parts of the Java. Mainly two parts, J2SE and J2EE. This is what exactly the content here I've given there clearly. All right, guys. Just give a minute of time. I'll give more clarity on our course. Now here I want to give some content, some related about our courses, what I'm planning there, what we are planning, what I'm going to teach, up to how much level we are able to get content, that everything I'm going to give clarity. Now try to understand it. Just give a minute of time. I want to give some introductory process for it. Already I got some written content here, what support I'm able to provide to all of you guys. I want to confirm it one time. Now let's see this. Just 1 minute. All right. Now only one time only I'm going to talk about this remaining part. What I'm going to talk now. In the first day we are meeting us. We are here. So I want to give some commitments. Commitments in the sense only today I'm going to finish that all commitment. Next onwards purely subject. Now let's understand it. What advantages we are able to get by attending my classes? That's the question here. Completed. Basic introduction for Java is okay. Three parts are given there. Actual content I will start in the next class onwards. But first of all, understand it. What are the various advantages here we are able to get by attending my classes there? The very first advantage here, what I am telling to you, all my classes, videos, recordings will be provided up to 1 year. But 1 year is not a boundary for us. More than 1 year, you are able to get. Understand my point here now? Then I'm not giving like exactly like lifetime, no, but almost it is equal to lifetime only. Our people are going to upload the videos. That's it. They'll be available continuously. Maximum time they are going to be available for you. How long we are able to access that videos? But official boundary is what there 1 year of time. So this video support is very good support. Even students are feeling that, students are giving feedback about that video support for me a lot. Multiple reasons I'm telling them. In the case, for example, if you miss any one class, meanwhile, if you miss any one class, but next class dependent on the first class. But if you want to attend for the next class, if you want to continue the technology, you need some previous class knowledge. If I give video support to you, after completion of the class, within 1 hour, you are able to get video. You may watch that video. If you watch that video, you may continue with the next class. That is one thing. Unexpected, another reason I'm telling them, unexpected, in the middle of the course you have to leave from Hyderabad due to some other reason, maybe due to some reason, maybe because of your college issue or because of your health issue or because of any other reason here, you may leave from Hyderabad. Then by that, through video support, you are able to complete your course. At any cost, your course will not be stopped in the middle. Another thing I'm telling there, for example, I want to go outside of the Hyderabad for the next 10 days of time, 15 days of time, because of my sister marriage, my brother marriage, for example. I want to leave from Hyderabad for the next 15 days of time. But how I'm going to cover my course there? Yes, again, this video support is very good for you. At any cost, your course is not going to be stopped. Your course is going to be completed. Point number one, I'm telling this. So multiple reasons are available. Next one is observe carefully. All my classes materials in the form of hard copy for offline students and soft copy for online students. Hard copy will be provided at our office there. It's a chargeable. Xerox cost they're able to take. That separate PDF file, I'm telling there. This is classroom notes. This you are able to get automatically every day. But separate hard copy, if you want to get the total material at a time, nearly 900 plus pages of document is available. Already books are available there at our office there. We can inquire about it. There we are able to get it. That's another point here. Course completion certificate will be provided at the end of the course. Durgasoft will provide one certificate to you. We can use Durgasoft brand at any company in outside. Durgasoft will give some certificate to you at the end of the course. All right. Company drives will be provided for all the students. Company drives will be provided, guys. One more point I'm telling there. As of now, 50 plus companies are available with me. We used to talk with them. Then we are inviting that companies to the Durgasoft. They will come here. They will conduct the drives. But remember it, I'm totally against to the job guarantee program, shortcut program, this kind of things. Only the point is what max level subject I have to give for you. You have to take max subject from me. You have to prepare yourself. You have to attend for interviews. You have to get job. That's it. Once you are taking step in Durgasoft, forget about backdoor jobs, forget about referral kind of things, forget about some recommendations and all. Purely content is going on, purely quality of the subject is going on. How to handle interviews and how to complete your interviews, how to get job, we will take care about it. But job guarantee program in the sense, my philosophy is what? For example, a student is getting job in the sense where student hard work is 70%, trainer responsibility is only 30%. Even if I give more content, if you are unable to study, if you are not preparing for the company, how can you get job? No. If it is a case, on the basis of your 70% of the work, how I can give guarantee? So I'm not believing in that area. So again, in the first class itself, I'm telling there, my responsibility is what? Giving complete knowledge on technology, giving thorough knowledge on technology for everybody. I want to make you, all of you, I want to make you to teach Java to somebody else at the end of the story. Once you're in a position to teach Java to somebody else, no, getting job is nothing. More clearly, I'm telling there, my success rate in outside market, my success rate is 80%. For every 100 members, 80 members are used to get jobs. But 1 month before or 1 month later. But the point is what? You have to attend the classes up to the end of the sessions, up to the end of the courses. If you attend there, definitely will get job. But remaining 20% of the people are time pass students only. I'm not going to think much about them. 80% is a success rate in my classes now. If you're serious, your life will be very much serious through Durgasoft platform. I'm telling to you now. Right, sir. So that's the point here. Next one is after completion of this. Yeah. Part of preparing you for attending companies there, for every topic, I'm going to conduct some written tests. For every topic, I used to conduct what the written test. If once one topic is completed, on that I will conduct one written test up to the completion of the topic. There you have to evaluate yourself, how much you are there. But if if possible, at the end of the courses, I'm a plan for this is optional, guys. Why? Because more members in the sense handling is somewhat difficult, But max I'll try for it. Mock interviews I used to conduct. I want to conduct mock interviews also. How to prepare for interviews there. Personally, I need to talk with you, and we need to. If you have any lack, definitely I have to say that lack. Then I have to say to improve in this particular area like this. So definitely we used to. We have a plan to conduct what their mock interviews. All right, so this is another one. So in the courses now, what I'm giving there, working with multiple databases. And before that, all of you observe carefully. Another point here I need to be add there. All right. Free access to the classroom notes. Everyday classroom notes. Now this is our Bible. I set you number of times there. Whatever the notes, everything I'm going to type inside the class itself. Then we are able to get what there? Classroom notes. Next one is what there? Free access to the classroom applications. Classroom applications. Whatever the applications I'm going to prepare inside the class, every application I'll provide to you. You can access that application directly. At least by seeing that application, you may prepare your applications there. Understand my point here? So every application I'll prepare. Next one is after this, working with the multiple databases, guys. Working with what there multiple. See, if we go for JDBC course now, that means in advanced Java. So I need to interact with the databases now. I may use 2 databases minimum, Oracle and as well as what there MySQL. Right from installation of the Oracle, right from installation of the MySQL, I will show how to install them, how to open them, how to write queries there, how to connect with them from the Java application. With respect to the Java programming, I will take care. Working with multiple servers like Tomcat, Wildfly, Glassfish, all this now. Working with multiple IDEs, right, sir? Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans. Core and advanced is going on with Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Right from frameworks onwards, we can take what there? NetBeans also. Multiple IDEs I'm going to use there. Up to the latest version of the Java, we are going to this. This is one of the advantages now. In Hyderabad, I'm telling there, no other institute is giving Java up to 19th version. Only Durgasoft is focusing more on what there? Quality of the technology. Then we are teaching the content up to 19th version, latest version. By the completion of your course, if Java 20 is available, obviously we can include Java 20 also. So I'm very much passionate for what the latest updations in Java. Up to the latest technology, I'm going to teach. Observe carefully. Then after that, right, sir. These are the advantages we are able to get if you attend my classes. That's one point here I'm telling you. All right. Apart from this, another thing is what there. Forget about this schedule. This is not required here. All right. Sir. Now let's come to the batches. Actually, what batches here? What batches here? I am conducting today. I'm taking demo class there. Observe carefully. Batch 1, it is a simple core Java only. Core Java. Batch 2, basic Java package. Batch 3, complete Java package. Batch 4 is what? There full stack Java. Listen, all of you listen now. Core Java, only if you are opted for only Core Java, today is a demo class. Now see this. Core Java is available in all 4 batches or not? So today is a demo class for what there? Core Java. In all batches can now. All right, sir. Observe carefully. In basic Java, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and like jQuery. These many concepts are available. Right, sir. In a complete Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, and basic UI. These many things are existed here. Inside, like what there? Then batch 3, complete Java package. Got or not? Next one, batch 4. What about this batch 4 there? Full stack Java. Inside the full stack Java, nearly 14 subjects are available. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI, Angular or React, Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools. Like this now. These many courses are available. But out of all, my responsibility is what? My responsibility is what? Throughout Java. Total Java stream, I will take the responsibility. Right from core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, in complete Java here, and in all 4 batches, no, wherever Java part is available, up to that I will take the responsibility. Your main concept is Java only. Java is the main concept, and its weightage is almost 70% now. Remaining course are remaining 30% only in the weightage of the courses now. The total 70% of the full stack Java, I will take the responsibility. Total Java stream, I will take the responsibility. Oracle, basic UI, Angular or React, Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools would be taken by some other trainers at Durgasoft. But total Java stream, I will take the responsibility. That is my my view about these classes now. Yes, sir. Got it or not? All right. These classes, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, maximum they are going in at evening time only. Now 4:30 we started these classes now. 4:30 onwards, maybe before 9. At any point I can start these classes. That means Java stream. But Java is a dependency. That means advanced Java is dependent on core Java, Hibernate is dependent on advanced Java. Each and every course is dependent on previous course now. That's why when I complete up to some part of the core Java, then I will start advanced Java. When I complete some part of the advanced Java, meanwhile core Java might be completed there. There I will start what there? Hibernate. Every 2 courses in Java should be taken parallelly. But depending on the syllabus, how much I covered in the previous, on the basis of that, in the right point, I'll start the next courses now. I will take that responsibility. No need to worry for it. 4:30 onwards, evening slot, we have to assign for me. Remaining courses you can learn in the remaining time, wherever, whenever you are comfortable, which time is comfortable for you. In that time, we can start your other courses now. Are you getting it or not? Morning 7 o'clock onwards, classes are going to be start regarding the Oracle or maybe UI. These different technologies are going to be start morning 7 onwards up to 9. But 4:30 to 9 o'clock assign for me for the sake of Java. Remaining courses we can learn in our comfortable time, morning to evening. Right or not? This is the point I'm telling there. Apart from this, regarding these batches information I'm giving there. All right, sir. Apart from that, yeah, maybe people are used to ask to me continuously, sir, these 4 batches here we planned there. Batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4. That means core Java only, basic Java, complete Java, or full stack Java. You may plan for these courses now. But which course is suitable for me? Which course is suggestible for me? People are asking this question there. Got it or not? I'm telling to you, nowadays, full stack Java is trending. Every company is looking for full stack Java developers. All of you get my point on. Nowadays, every company is looking for what? Full stack Java developers. So full stack Java is a preferable course. Understand guys what I'm telling there? Now I want to give one small video. I got one funny video, not funny, reality. Actually, I'm telling that this is going to be happen in the company there in outside. Might be about this. How much importance is available for full stack Java development? Just I want to show in the form of a video. Now try to understand this. I'll give some. I think the sound problem will come there to my system there. Then we are able to see that. Maybe something else. Okay, fine, no problem. Some fire accident is going on there. Everybody is looking for a person. Everybody is looking for a person. Kiran. They're looking for a person. Please check it. Who is that? Right, sir. Who is that? Full stack Kiran. That is the importance of like what there full stack Kiran. Understand it. Just in the form of video, I got it. Then whenever I'm checking the technology, I got this video. That's why I'm showing that. But reality is the same way. Reality is the same thing. Every company is looking for full stack Java developer nowadays. Why? Because full stack Java developer can do everything about our project right from starting point to ending point, top to bottom, end to end life cycle that full stack Java developer can do. If a single developer is able to do anything in the project, no, companies are getting advantage or not? Companies are getting advantages or not? That's why companies are trying to get that advantage by taking full stack Java developers. Nowadays, not only nowadays, in the next future is also be going on with the full stack Java developer. Because of that reason only, in our full stack Java, nearly 14 courses can be provided. You can understand even testing tools also, even development also, even DevOps also, deployment tools also. Like total nearly 14 courses we included to cover end-to-end project implementation. So that is an advantage of like what there full stack Java developer. So nowadays it's a trending. Maybe of course you may take either of these courses time being there, but definitely on day after tomorrow or maybe next day you may go for what there full stack Java only. So Durgasoft is providing very good platform for full stack Java development. Right guys. Now this is the information here we can understand clearly. Right. And one more thing I'm telling there. All right, regarding these classes, and I set you some surprise I want to give there. Not like too much a surprise there, but our admin people have given some notice to me. Even I too don't know about it before that. Moreover, as a trainer, I don't like to talk about these prices and all these things inside the class now. It's against to my principle actually. But once the students are getting benefit, definitely I will talk about it. Otherwise, I don't like to talk about money related thing. I'll not involve in money related thing. Our admin people will do that, but they are given one notice to me. What is that notice there? I think they want to give some offers. They want to give some offers for courses there. What offers they want to provide these courses? No, observe carefully. In a basic package, Durgasoft wants to give like 1,000 rupees concession for basic package. Then how much is payment is available? Just you can go to our office and inquire about it. All right, for complete Java 2,000 offer is provided. For full stack Java 3,000 offer is provided. There's a concession now, right? And they are given a separate note. These concessions are from today to up to Monday, 4 days. Today is a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Within these 4 days only these concessions are available. After the fourth day, after the Monday, next day, Tuesday onwards, original prices will come. Please check this, then try to check out our office there. They will give more information. Then more than this, I don't like to talk about it, but you are going to get some benefit there. For basic Java, 1,000 rupees concession. For complete Java, 2,000 rupees. For full stack Java, 3,000 rupees concession is going on. Reach out to our office there, then our people will give more clarity on it. but they said to me, these concessions are going on up to these 4 days of time, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Up to this only these concessions are going on. Please recognize this point clearly. Okay, clear? All right, sir. Now today is the first class. Just I given some brief introduction there. First weekend, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, in general, we used to take gap. Only this is a first class, no? Friday, as per my sentiment, I started this Friday class there, demo class. Next class will be on Monday. Again, next class is not like what there any demo class, no. Direct I will start subject. Core Java, directly I will start. No further demos here. Today is one class, no? Next class will be on Monday. All right. In every week, observe carefully. In every week, at a starting point, 6 days per week classes are going on. Monday to Saturday, minimum. Next Monday onwards, up to Saturday class are going on there. All right, sir. Once if I start our actual Java, that means if the situation is demanding to me, if the syllabus is not in right track, then definitely I may plan to take classes on weekends also. On Sundays also I may plan to take what there somewhat extra sessions, but that depends on you and depends on me. If the situation is coming to me like that to take more class on Sunday, definitely I will plan to take classes on Sundays also. Yes, sir, all of you are getting it or not? Say why you are taking holidays actually. My simple philosophy is what there, not to give more holidays. If you are job holder, we can take some gap, no issues there. But you are not having job, you don't have any right to take too many holidays. No. Of course, at starting mode, Sunday, every Sunday I will give holiday here. But once if I start object orientation topic there, depending on our situation, I may plan for some extra sessions on Sundays. We will enjoy inside the classes. No. I think Sunday is for entertainment. Am I right or not? I'll provide very good entertainment inside the classes. Just come to the classes there. We will see some entertainment program in Java, in the form of Java. Definitely, it will be very much interested for us. Then we are able to understand effectively the Java. See, the point is what? A bit earlier mode, if we complete the course now, you may plan for next course or you may plan for attending for interviews there. Once we are getting job, every day is a festival. But before getting job, I don't want to celebrate festivals too many, right? Yes, sir, got it or not? Right, so that's why starting point of view, tomorrow and day after tomorrow is a gap, very first day, right? The next class will be on Monday. Monday onwards up to Saturday class are going on there. But once if I start some particular topic, object orientation, from that point onwards, I may plan for what the classes on Sundays also. Right. More than this, if you require any doubts or if you want to clarify something there, reach out to our office. Our admin people are available. They will give more clarity about our content. Right, sir. Got it or not? About our queries, if you want to talk something, if you want to get some details, no, these are for offline numbers. These are for offline numbers. 8852 8852 6364 9697. These are for offline classes and these are for online classes there. We can take these numbers. If you have any queries there, we can contact this number. And please take this number, especially take this number and this number especially for the sake of videos, for the sake of like what their materials. If you want to inquire about it, now contact to this number, that 5600 at the end. This number is exclusively for the sake of my classes, relate to my classes information. Classes there are not. Yes, definitely. Videos are not accessible, sir. Please do something. If you want to send some request, no, WhatsApp to this number. Everybody take this number. Everybody store this number in our mobile phones there. Through that we can contact with the admin people there. This number is exclusively for the sake of my classes. Any type of doubt if you are having, any type of thing if you are having, then this number is giving response by. So we can WhatsApp to this number here. Then any kind of relate to my classes, admin related things, no, they'll provide some help to you so that we can understand clearly. But the remaining numbers are also be possible, but they are for normal numbers. They are giving normal in general online details to you clearly. But these numbers for the sake of what they're offline. So we can use these numbers here. Then if you want to mail to our content here, Durgasoft online training at gmail.com for the sake of online, but for offline like what there, right, Durgasoft offline. That means Durgasoft offline at gmail.com for the sake of offline classes, but not required to use that. Then directly we can call to these numbers. Then we are able to get max information there. But maximum no cancellation of the classes. No cancellation of the classes. At any cost, we are planning to take the classes. In the worst case, if I'm unable to walk, if I'm unable to come to the classes, no, then only maybe I may take gap. Otherwise, everyday class is going to be happen. Even the total cyclone is going on. Entire Amirpet and Hyderabad is collapsed, but still I can run the class. How, sir? How I can run the class? Unable to come here. What I will do there? Parallel online class is going on. I'll give online class link to you. I will say to you, try to connect in online. I will take class even in online, 1 or 2 days of classes if it is not possible there. I think next upcoming season is summer, right? Next one is like what there? Maybe rainy season there now. At any season, classes are going to be happen. At Durgasoft, classes are mandatory. That's what I'm telling there. Quality subject, regular classes, punctual classes. These are our main thoughts. If you follow this discipline, definitely we'll get job. Nothing. Getting job is nothing. Easily we are able to get job at the end of the story. Right? That's all, guys. That's all from my end today. And I'm telling there regarding these offers, at least you can save some money there. Then think about these offers there. Then these 4 days that offer is coming there. Monday is the last day. Next class will be on which day? Monday. Next class will be on what there? Monday. Meanwhile, we can call your friends also. Monday onwards directly, I'm going to start syllabus. No further demos there. Monday onwards, we can start syllabus directly. I'm going to start Java, core Java, introduction topic. I'm going to start there. Right. That's all, guys. Thank you. Thank you for attending this demo class. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. Monday at 4:30. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Guys, those who are in online, yeah, guys, then people are asking so many questions there. 1 minute, and I'll clarify each and every question there. Guys, next Monday onwards, actual classes will start there. అక్కడ చెప్పినాను కదా ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి మొత్తం లిస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయవగా ఈరోజు కంప్లీట్ ఇవన్నీ ఈ అన్ని బ్యాచ్ ఈరోజు స్టార్ట్ అయినట్లే కోర్ జావా అన్నిటికీ ఉంది కదా కోర్ జావాతో స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఇంకా అరాగిల్ యూఏ టెక్నిక్స్ ప్యారల్ గా మీన్ వెల్ కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి ప్లాన్ చేసుకుని అటెండ్ అయిపోవచ్చు ఇదే ఈ రోజు నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి కంప్లీట్ గా సేమ్ 4:30 to 6 1.5 hour session same time same 4:30 to 6. But if I'm going to start advanced Java at some other time, I will start it. But core Java is going on at 4:30 to 6. Yes. Yeah, nice. Evening 4:30 to 6 తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ క్లాస్ ఉంటాయి మీకు జావా రిలేటెడ్ మొత్తం ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ కోర్స్ అంటే వేరే టైంలో ఉంటాయి కానీ మార్నింగ్ ఉండదు మళ్ళీ మీకు ఈ ఈవినింగ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఈవినింగ్ వైపు ఉంటాయి క్లాస్ అన్ని కూడా ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు I only demo class are available. Today is one demo, guys. Then Monday is not like demo class. Directly I'll start syllabus, right? You can please come for the content. And guys, then after this class, you will get the total syllabus and everything. Whatever the content I'm going to be covered there as a PDF document, we are able to get it. No need to worry for it. Okay, fine. Anything else? Yeah, please. Okay. పర్లేదండి అదేం లేదు అదేం లేదు మినిమల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అంతా ఎవరికి ఇంగ్లీష్ మొత్తం రాదు అట్లనే ఎవరికి తక్కువేం రాదు ఎవరి లెవెల్లో వాళ్ళకు ఉంటుంది నేను మాట్లాడే ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ కాదు జేమ్స్ గోస్లింగ్ జావా కనిపెట్టి నేను మాట్లాడేది కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ కాదు ఎవరి లెవెల్లో వాళ్ళకి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉంటానే ఉంటుంది సో నో ఇష్యూస్ మీరు దాని నుంచి మర్చిపోండి ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్కి రండి ఈ రోజు నేను మాట్లాడేది అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు చాలు అద్భుతం ఇంకా సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో మీ లైఫ్ చూసుకోవచ్చు ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు ఇది అర్థమైతే చాలు ఇంతకు మించి ఎవడో ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడు 4:30 ఫిక్స్ 4:36 అనేది ఫిక్స్ టైం కోర్ జావాకి ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా కూడా ఇదే టైం ఉంటుంది ఇంకా కోర్సెస్ ప్యారల్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా వాళ్ళకి అడ్వాన్స్ జావా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఈవినింగే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ 6 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే కానీ మార్నింగ్ ఉండదు మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా మీరు నాతో మాట్లాడొచ్చు క్లాస్ తర్వాత క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను వస్తాను కదా యూ కెన్ టాక్ టు మీ ఎవర్ డౌట్స్ ఇట్స్ అ మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ 1 minute max. Then I can clarify any type of doubt, no problem. Then still if the doubt is not clarified, bring your laptop. I'll check in your lab. Within 1 minute, I will clarify your doubts. Don't worry for it. నా పేమెంట్ అనేది అక్కడ ఆఫీస్లో మాట్లాడి వీడియో సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తాం బయట ఇప్పుడు మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే వీడియోస్ వచ్చినట్టు మీకు ప్రతి క్లాస్ వీడియోస్ అంతే అమ్మా వస్తాయి మీకు ఏంటంటే ఇది డ్రైవ్ యాక్సెస్ వస్తాయి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రతి క్లాస్ వీడియో గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్లో పెట్టేసి అవసరం లేదు. ఇది నేను ఇస్తాను నీకు, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో లింక్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను. లింక్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా నీకు వచ్చేస్తాను మొత్తం. నేను ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి, లింక్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఇంకా చేసి నెక్స్ట్ మండే వస్తారు కదా, మండేకి లింక్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను మీకు. మండే నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ నోట్స్ చూసుకోవచ్చు. 4:36. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి అడ్వాన్స్ జావా రిలేటెడ్ అంతా ఈవినింగ్ నడుస్తాయి. రిమైనింగ్ కోర్సెస్ వచ్చేసి ఈ మార్నింగ్ టు ఈవినింగ్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయితే అప్పుడు అటెండ్ అయిపోండి. జావా రిలేటెడ్ మొత్తం 4:30 టు ఈవినింగ్ ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది షెడ్యూల్ మ్యాక్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ వచ్చేసి అట్లా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇట్లా సపరేట్ టీమ్ ఏం మనకి లేదు ప్రజెంట్. ఆఫ్టర్ పాండింగ్ మొత్తం అది పోయిందా, రావట్లేదు ఎవరు స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా. అంత కాలేజీ నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఇక ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది మేము ఏమి ఇవ్వట్లేదు. కోర్సెస్ సూపర్గా నేర్పిస్తాం. కోర్సెస్తో పాటు మీరు నాలెడ్జ్తో చేసేసుకోవచ్చు మ్యాక్స్, అంతే. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ పాండమిక్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏమైపోయిందంటే ఎవరు కూడా ఎంటర్టైన్ అవ్వట్లేదు బయట. ఇప్పుడు నేను ప్రాజెక్ట్ బ్యాచ్ అనౌన్స్ చేసి ఎవరు రావట్లేదు, అదే సిచ్యువేషన్. అందుకనే దాని గురించి పెద్ద ఆలోచన లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే కోర్సెస్ మొత్తం క్లియర్గా మనకి రియల్ టైంలో కంపెనీలు ఏ విధంగా అవసరమైతే మొత్తం నేర్పించి పంపిస్తాం. ఆ నాలెడ్జ్తో మీ కంపెనీలోకి ఏదైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు, ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఏమో ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే కాంటెంట్ మీకు ఏది ఫ్రెషర్ లెవెల్ కాంటెంట్ ఏం కాదు. 4 to 5 ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెడితే ఎంత నాలెడ్జ్ అవ్వాలో అంత చెప్తుంది. సో మీరు 4 to 5 ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఫేక్ అండి, అది ఓపెన్ సీక్రెటే కదా, ఇంకా దానిలో మనం సపరేట్గా అడిగేది ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు అట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది కోర్సెస్ వాళ్ళకి క్లాస్లో 70% పీపుల్ ఆర్ వాంట్స్ టు కీప్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు, పెట్టేసుకోవచ్చు. యా లేదండి, అవి వేరే ఫ్యాకల్టీ చెప్తారు. అవి మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయితేనే ఉంటాయి కంటిన్యూస్, ఎవ్రీ వీక్ ఎవ్రీ 10 days కూడా స్టార్ట్ అయితేనే ఉంటాయి బ్యాచెస్. మీ కంఫర్టబుల్ టైం మీరు రిటర్న్ అయిపోండి. కాకపోతే నాకు 4:30 to ఈవినింగ్ పార్ట్ అంతా కూడా జావా తీసుకుంటాను. నేను ఏవైతే చెప్పినానో నా కోర్సెస్ తీసుకుంటాను. బిఫోర్ రిమైనింగ్ నాన్ జావా టెక్నాలజీస్ అన్ని కూడా మార్నింగ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ షెడ్యూల్ ఏమి ఉండదు వాటికి. ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయితే అక్కడ అటెండ్ అయిపోండి. అవి డిపెండెన్సీ ఏం లేదు వాటికి. ఈవెన్ రేపు నుంచైనా స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు అవి కనుకుంటే. నేను చెప్తాను. కోర్, అడ్వాన్స్డ్, హైబ్రిడ్, స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్, మైక్రో సర్వీస్, వెబ్ సర్వీసెస్ ఇవంతా నా దగ్గర, నా పార్టీ ఉంటుంది. రిమైనింగ్ కోర్సెస్ వచ్చేసి నాన్ జావా అవంతా కూడా వేరే వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. And which software used for programming language? Java full stack developer course, how many months? Uh, Naveen already left. Don't worry. Right, sir. I'm interested to learn this course, and am I eligible for job in MSc companies? Definitely, Harshita. You are eligible to attend for interviews, and you are eligible to attend for it. No need to worry for it. Can we parallelly take the courses from 8 to 14 in the full stack Java course without dependency? Yes, of course we can take. We can take Java related part. Some dependency level is available that I will cover. But non-Java related courses you can take parallelly at any time now. Full stack Java is going on at 7 to 8 months of time, guys. Definitely. Right. As it 3 months mentioned in the batch one. That is core Java only. Full stack Java is not in 3 months. Full stack is core Java duration only. Only core Java duration. But full stack Java it will take 7 to 8 months of time. Right. Fee structure, guys, then we can reach out to our office there where mail ID and mobile numbers are available. Just please reach out to our office there. Morning time new batches, it may take some time, not immediately. It may take some time. Ashish. Oracle, these are not certification courses, guys. These are technology based only, not certification courses. Yeah, Ashish. Just I given list of courses there. And then here in the demo class, we can check for that. What courses I'm giving there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Harshita, you're eligible to attend for interviews in MNCs. No doubt for that. You'll get job. If you work properly, then you'll get job. Okay, right. Yeah, then Deepika, then we can type your doubt there regularly on the questions box. Then I can watch your questions box continuously. I can give clarity on it every day. No need to worry for it. I have 2 years gap degree. Can I start career in IT? Definitely, Sanket. Everybody is doing the same thing. No need to worry for it. Yeah, thank you, Harshita. Mechanical background. Yeah, Ashish, no need to worry for it. The software industry is for everybody, for everybody. Mechanical or electrical or electronical, for any platform, software industry is common. Software industry is common for everybody. So don't have any other thinking. Yeah. Guys, then I have some other class there. Can I? Yeah, thank you, Ashish. Nothing, Sanket, nothing like that. Nobody will check that. No age factor. No, that is in government sector, not in IT industry. Yeah, don't worry. Okay. One of my friend, his age is almost all 42, 43 years of age. Now he got job there in a company recently. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Then shall we meet on Monday? I have another class now. Then on Monday again I will give much clarity for you after the class. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. Fine. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you for attending demo class, guys. Ashish, Harish got him told now. Right. Thank you. Fine. It's okay. Thank you, guys.